there's a growing sense that something isn't quite right with the way we educate our kids. We send children to school to prepare them for life, but life has changed, and school hasn't. While the world races forward, our classrooms seem stuck in a time warp. Today, we're diving into 8 deep-rooted problems with our school system that could be holding students back from reaching their true potential. You're watching Smartness to Go. Number 1, outdated origins. Our current education system was born during the Industrial Age, a time when the world needed obedient, punctual factory workers. Schools were built to produce compliant individuals, not thinkers. That's why even today, we ring bells, group children in batches, and reward them for following instructions, not questioning them. But ask yourself, is this the kind of person the modern world needs? Number 2, the problem with obedience. In school, you're told to sit down, open your book, stay quiet, and repeat. But the real world values creativity, communication, and problem solving, not silent obedience. How far can anyone go in life by just doing what they're told? The truth is, we're teaching kids how to follow, not how to lead. Number 3, no control, no growth. At school, every minute is dictated from what to do to when to do it. There's little to no autonomy. But in real life, success comes from taking initiative, managing time, and making decisions. When we deny kids the chance to make choices, we quietly tell them, you're not in charge of your life. And that message? It's not just disempowering, it's dangerous. Number 4, memorize, forget, repeat. Let's talk about learning, or the illusion of it. Schools focus on memorizing facts, regurgitating them in exams, and then promptly forgetting them the next day. That's not learning. That's just short-term memory training. And yet, we judge students entirely on these test scores, creating stress and burnout instead of curiosity and passion. Number 5, no space for passions. Every child is unique, with different talents, interests, and dreams. But our schools push everyone through the same conveyor belt. Where's the time to ask, what do I love? What am I good at? How do I want to contribute to the world? We're not helping students find their calling. We're training them to blend in, not stand out. Number 6, everyone learns differently. Some kids need more time. Others need different tools. That's just human. But our system doesn't have the patience for difference. If you don't get it at the same time as everyone else, you're labeled as slow, or worse, a failure. When really, you just needed more time or a different approach. Number 7, lectures are broken. For over 5 hours a day, students are lectured, passively sitting, fingers on lips, eyes on the board. There's no interaction, no engagement, and in every class, someone's ahead and bored, someone's behind and confused. No one is truly learning at their own pace. As a wise man puts it, lecturing is a dehumanizing experience. Number 8, ignoring technology. We live in a world where knowledge is a click away. You can learn anything, anytime, from anywhere. Yet, our schools resist using these tools, not because they don't work, but because they fear losing control. Instead of embracing technology, we chain students to outdated systems. Our conclusion: it's time for change. The world has evolved, but school hasn't. If we want to prepare students for a future that values ideas, innovation, and independence, we need more than reform. We need reinvention. It's time to stop producing rule followers and start nurturing leaders, creators, and dreamers. Thanks for watching Smartness to Go, where big ideas come in sip-sized servings. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if this made you think. For more Smartness to Go, don't miss this next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.